In this question, we're asked to find the equation of a line, and they give us the slope and a point on that line to start with. So they tell us that our slope, our m, is 6, and the point on that line is -2, -1. And what we're trying to do is, of course, create this equation in a y equals mx plus b format. So we actually have the m given to us. That's the slope of the line. The piece that we're missing that we have to go find to finish this equation out is the y-intercept here, that b value. So to do that, all we're going to do is take the data that we've been given, plug it into that equation, and solve for b. So we'll take our y equals mx plus b, and we'll shove in what we have. So that's our x, and that's our y. So we get -1 equals m, which is 6, times x, which is -2, plus b. And then from there, we just clean it up and solve for b. So we have -1 equals 6 times -2 is -12, plus b. We need to get to b by itself, so we're going to get that -12 over to the other side. So we'll add 12 and add 12. We get -1 plus 12 is going to give us 11, and that equals b. Those pieces canceled out. So we have our b value. They started us with our m value, and so our final answer for this, our y equals mx plus b, is going to be y equals rm, which was given to us as 6x, and then plus our b, which is what we just solved for, which is 11. And that's our final answer.